Are you struggling to update all your Odoo modules in a Docker container? It can be a real headache when you can't find the right command. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. Trying to update modules and running into roadblocks can be incredibly frustrating. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when working with Docker and Odoo. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, what is the appropriate command to update all the modules in my Odoo Docker container? They mentioned trying to use docker restart container name -u all, but it didn't work. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what could be going wrong here? Updating modules in Odoo requires specific commands, and using the wrong syntax can lead to confusion. We'll break down the correct approach step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will make managing your Odoo modules even easier. To update all Odoo modules in a Docker container, the user first needs to access the terminal of the running container. This can be done using the docker exec command. Once inside the container, the user should navigate to the Odoo installation directory. This is typically located at the path /opt odoo or wherever Odoo is installed. Next, the user needs to run the Odoo command to update all modules. The correct command is to use the Odoo server with the update flag and specify the database name. After executing the update command, the user should monitor the terminal for any messages indicating the success or failure of the update process. Finally, once the update is complete, the user can exit the container and restart it to ensure all changes take effect. Fun fact, did you know that Odoo started as a simple accounting software? Now it's a full-fledged ERP system used by thousands of businesses worldwide. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying your docker compose.yml file. They recommend adding a command line under the Odoo service to update all modules when the container restarts. Additionally, you can run a separate container to perform the updates. This involves using the docker run command with your volumes and specifying the update command. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach suggests ensuring your Docker file includes an entry point or command that runs the command python-odoo.pash-u-all. This command updates all Odoo modules directly, rather than using docker restart. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative approach to update all Odoo modules in a Docker container involves accessing the container console. First, use the command to enter the console, docker exec odoo bash. Next, update your module using a specific port. For example, you can run /uslavendo base 87ddb shu my module. If your database is hosted on another container, you will need to specify the database host, user, and password. Use this command, /user/aboot-8db =172.170.2 -db user =odoo -db mydb -u my module. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Regularly check for module updates and keep your Odoo instance running smoothly. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You should now be able to update all your Odoo modules in your Docker container with ease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember, keeping your software updated is key to smooth operations.